In this video, we're going to see how to add parts to an estimate. The parts we'll be adding are coming from a supplier that does not have an electronic parts catalog. We'll also see how to add parts from our shop inventory. We'll start with a customer and vehicle already on the estimate. To see how to add a customer and vehicle to a document, click the card. Our customer states that our brakes are making a squealing noise. Our technician completes the inspection and finds out that the front brakes and rotors need replacing. To give our customer an idea of what that would cost, we'll add a job to this estimate. We call Jeff at the parts store and tell him we need the front pads and rotors for a 2009 Corvette. We jot down the part number and prices, and we're ready to add them to the estimate. We start with Add Job Group and choose Inventory Parts. We'll start by entering the part number. We can enter a line code or leave it blank, and Manage will apply the default line code. We'll enter BRK for brakes, then enter the part description. Then select the supplier from this dropdown. Next, we'll add the part cost. You can add the selling price here if you don't have a default markup set or a price matrix set up for the supplier you're using. If you do have markup set up, leave the selling price blank. And when we select the supplier, Manage Online will calculate the selling price for us when it's added. Also, you can leave the quantity blank if you're adding only one of these parts. This area allows us to add the part to our Manage Online inventory. To add this part to the job, we click Add to Document, which puts it in this area. We repeat the process for the rotors. This time, we'll add a quantity of 2 for the rotors and click Add to Document. Clicking Done adds the parts to the brake job. We'll also need some brake fluid, so we click the Add Item button, and this time we'll choose Quick Parts. This is an easy way to get commonly used parts and fluids onto a job. We'll choose Fluids here. We click this checkbox, and it adds a quantity of 1. We could change that if we needed more. We click Done. To complete the job, we would get the labor times from our OEM catalog. The wiper blades also need to be replaced, and we have them in stock, but they're not in our quick parts list. To add these to the estimate, we go to Add Job Group, and again select Inventory Parts. This time, we'll enter blades in the description field and click Search Inventory. To add one of a particular part, we could just click the green check mark, but since we want to add more than one wiper blade, we'll click the pencil icon and enter a quantity of 2 and click Add to Document. When we click Done, the part is added. In this video, we saw how to add parts to an estimate from a supplier that does not have an electronic parts catalog. We also saw how to add parts from our shop's inventory. Thanks for watching. For more information on this or any of ALLDATA's products, visit our support site at alldatasupport.com or call one of the numbers on your screen.